So if you are trying to load a design using USB, this is actually a floppy disk emulator, so you have to use a USB that is formatted specially so that it reads as a floppy. But I can put it in. This one won't work because it's not. But what you're going to do is hit the O key, and you're going to do disk because it was a floppy disk. Hit enter, and then you're going to choose what type of file you have loaded. So if you export it from Wilcom and you set it to happy, you're going to want to choose happy because then it's going to load all your color sequences and stuff like that in. If it's just a DST, you can use Tajima. But if I hit enter, it's going to say search pattern. You would see the flash drive flashing, but it won't because it's not a floppy. And you would see your list, and you just select it as if you're doing the normal pattern under this menu. It would look like this. So I would just select it, and it would pull it in, and then I would be able to view it. And you can format this to work with that. However, I don't want to do it to this guy because I actually have files on there.